Miss Beryl, Miss Beryl. At your age, you still a go river fi wash clothes? Eh? You mean to tell me, say, the picnic then can't buy you one washing machine? Eh? To make you stop go river? You know what me do, no? Hmm? Wanna fast in a people business too much. Too much you know fast in a people business. Me picking it then can more than buy me one washing machine. Eh? But look like when I see the community no got no water. Eh? We no got tank. Pipe no running in the community. So where we get water we put in a washing machine. Eh? And where we no come from? I know this is a community I wanna come from a pass and a pass. No fast in a people business too much. Because if you no been come from this a community, you know that sure no say pipe no run here. A 60 years me live here. I know the government no run no pipe coming at this a community here yet. Make a help down the pan there and go no piece of labrishing. Because you must think say listen to me. I am me born and grow. And from me born here, no pipe. I don't know what the government doing to put pipe in this community. We can hardly manage no water. Then grandma, you want to tell me say you can't even buy one black tank and put on the house top? Make you picking it then buy one black tank and put on the house top and stop worry about government and water. Well, let me tell you, then can buy black tank. Yes, but how much are we in our community can buy black tank? A few of we in our community can buy black tank. Nevertheless, the government need to run pipe. A civilized time now. At 2024 now, the government can put pipe in all the rural community then. Things need to change. They have to do better. It's not easy. And it's not everybody can afford a donkey to carry water. Yes, things have to change. It have to change. We have to do better in this community here. And many other community. Not to mention the road. The road is so bad. Me poor foot them. I don't know say me got arthritis already. Me poor foot them. You know, easy if you go up and down on the road. And the road is so bad. Nothing the government not do for help. Not a thing for help with. Me born and grow here, me no see no improvement. Nothing at all. Right here now, a still lamp we have to use. Not even light. Not in the community. Not even light. It's like we're still there behind time in this community here. Yeah, man, the government can do something for we. Every year, them why you vote. Yes, it's only voting time, you see them. Yes, you know, see them no other time but voting time. Yes. When it's time to fix up the road and do something meaningful for the community, you don't see them. Not at all, you cannot see them. But when it's voting time, as old as me is, and can hardly move, then come for me and put me in a vehicle and carry me go vote. Yes. And all, then give me his one lunch. And them not care how me I do. Sometimes I'm sick and not even money for go a doctor. No money for go a doctor, me not see no. Nobody me not see. Nobody. Right now me sick. fever, coughing. Me depend sick. I mean, I see them. Can't see them. But if I have vote, you see them. You know, see them no other time. Mm? Yes, they said they had the free medication down at hospital. But what about the money if you pay if you go a doctor? Sometimes never fear me not have. Not even fear nobody if help me with only fear. Nobody. Because sometimes the picking them not even realize that me not got no fear because show me full of so much pride me not even like for ask. Hmm? So them no know say me want one little money. You know much time me there sick and and a cough and all these things. And no money if you go a doctor. The government are relax. Them sit down in a them chair and relax. Because true them have things easy. Them have everything easy. Them not care about with the elderly people them. They need to do better for the elderly people them. Hmm? Yes, man, them need to do better for the elderly people them. Yes. See how them can go round and carry with you go vote. They must see to it that we are right in the community. Hmm? Make I tell you something. Right now, Casilda, if you see which part she live, not even one cheap house they can give her. Eh? Yeah, if you see how she a live, it's not like me I live any little bit better, you know, but me I tell you, so when me look on how she a live, the house stop a leak. Yes, the house stop a leak. I want bad pan like this. She have to take and set in at the house. It is a disgrace. It is a disgrace. Yes, this grace for the community. This is how she a live. Everything then talk about. If they don't have picnic, if they don't have picnic. I don't know what the government is doing. Yes, she have picnic, yes. But sometimes the picnic them struggle just the same. Mm? Because they're born in a hard life. And nobody there to help them. So they come up and can't even finance themselves good. Some of them can't even get no work. But yes, let me tell you something. You know just have to wait patiently upon God some of the time for help you know, out of the distress for you in. You understand? Continue wait upon God. Yes. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Thank you.